What's going on, everybody? We've got another 2021 Panini Phoenix football. This is 4-box. Pick your team style number 2 here on the 22nd of April, Friday night. Got our 4 boxes here. Appreciate you guys filling this one up. Good luck. Let's pull some heat, shall we? Tons and tons of numbered stuff in here. Tons. Tons of numbered stuff. 2 autos. One's usually an RPA. The other one's like a mid rookie auto. There wasn't a case hit in that first break. Not that I know of. You like Jalen Hurts?
Oh, yeah.
You like Jalen Hurts? You a believer?
I'm a believer.
So every time that a new rumor comes out that they're going to sign this QB or that QB,
I just ignore it.
yeah, it's all fluff. I feel that. I'm a Ravens fan, so I got to deal with all the Lamar syndrome.
Hollywood Brown.
He sucks. He can't catch. We got a pink Zeke. Pink Zeke starting us off. $1.99 pink Zeke for the boys. Hot routes Thielen. First rookie auto. Ravens. Brandon Stevens rookie auto. Silver rookie auto for the Baltimore Ravens. Bill Kemp. Justin Fields rookie insert. Got an orange Travis Etienne. That's going to be to 99 for the Jaguars. Breeze insert. You got a Saquon orange. Also to 99, Heat Wave, very nice. Tylan Wallace, silver. And Kirk Cousins, to 149, Vikings. Giants have done well these 2 breaks so far. Sneaky team. So John, our boss, really likes Daniel Jones this year.
Oh, yeah.
Like, really likes him.
Interesting take.
Mm-hmm. Okay, good luck. We got 2 hits in this stack. There's a Levi Onwuzurike. Can never get his name right. Rookie number to 35, though, for the Lions. Blue, dark blue. First up, Davis Mills to 149. Nice. That's sick. That is very tough. The 149, Davis Mills. He's their guy. They're rocking with him.
Yeah. Good old Deshaun, not doing
No.
too much, no.
Frank C. Thanks for hopping in, Frank. That's a nice hit, man. Got Zach Wilson insert. Purple is Ian Book for the Saints. That's nice, to 125. And Chuba Hubbard to 25. Look at the line. Look at the indent on that card right there. You see it? That's lovely. Damn, it's a nice patch, too. Sick patch for the Panthers. Sometimes the quality control on these can be a little bit sus. Sam Emerson with the Panthers on the Mini Mojo. Take a Davis Mills out of the first box, though. That's why you play football, right? Trevor Lawrence.
A little short.
Yeah, a little short. Lamar to 99. Jealous. Lamar. Did we get a color burst? I must have missed it. Jalen Darden, red rookie to 250. Bucks. There we go. Color burst is the last card of the box, by the way. There's a Herbert to 35. Heat Wave. 35 Herbert. Eric Shepard. And a Baker is our color burst for this box. Good old Bake. God, he sucks, doesn't he?
He's terrible.
He is awful. He did not pan out. He won a Heisman, didn't he?
Yeah.
That is a shame. That was a sick first box. Low numbered Herbie, Lamar. And T-Ball. Alright, box 2. birds action that first box. What's going on here?
No birds.
No birds action. Maybe a Kenneth Gainwell base card?
Nah,
That doesn't get the job done?
nope.
No.
Can't even see it.
Couldn't even see it. They're coming. That's sick. What up, Matt? What up, what up? Thanks for hopping in, bro. Hella thick one on top. I like the colors too.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Yes.
Decent colors. Let's see. Good luck. Yellow on the back, on the front, right team, wrong QB. Number to 75, Jimmy G. I mean, the right QB is right behind him. How about that? How funny is that? Gold leaf. That's sick. Justin Fields, rookie, and damn, right team, wrong dude. Oh, okay, just the jersey relic. Travis Etienne, jumbo relic, Jaguars. Congrats, Scott. Red McCaffrey to 250, Panthers. Base. Jaguars is Scott, right? Yeah. That's it. Right on top here, purple Baron Browning to 125, rookie for the Broncos. We've got teal CeeDee Lamb. Ooh, nice. 149 CeeDee Lamb, Hot Routes, and a Color Blast or Color Burst Travis Etienne. I'm probably saying that wrong. I don't know. One per box, Travis Etienne though. Ooh. Oh, these are so sick. Kenneth Gainwell.
Thank you.
Yeah, you got it. Fire and Ice. Patrick Surtain. That's sick.
That is 5.
That's literally number to 50. Nice card, Broncos. Sowards, congrats. That's one of the nicest parallels in here.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Rookie auto, Etienne, to go with the relic. Same box. How about that?
Holy ETN.
Dude, what the hell?
Yeah.
So relic, auto, and the color blast, color burst nonsense. That's sick. Scott, solid.
Look at all.
Taking them all is right. Nick Bolton, red, 250 for the Chiefs. Derek Carr and Mahomes base. Now, if only that was Trevor Lawrence, we'd be singing.
Put them together, you get an RPA.
Yeah, right. Can you trade those three in for a Trevor Lawrence? ETN will be back though. Sure,
Yeah.
he'll be back. Yeah, he'll take this, right? That's sick.
Maybe Doug
Put
will,
them together.
maybe Doug will shave them up.
Yeah, right. Is that who they got?
Yeah.
I see a purple numbered. Ooh, there we go. Purple Devonta Smith, number to 125,
Wow.
and a silver right behind it.
Look at that.
Look at that.
Two in a row.
Two in a row right there for my boy
Like
Brady.
that.
It's a good start. You got a red Stephon Diggs, 199 for the Bills. Pink Miles Sanders, number to 199. They're just coming hot and heavy now.
Can't hold
Mac
it.
Jones. Oh, we got a redemption. Ooh. We're gonna sleeve these up and build the suspense.
Sweat it.
Sweat it out. Mac Jones for the Patriots. Wonder who's redemption. Jamar Chase hasn't signed anything in like 9 products. The silvers are hard to hit too. Sick. Alright, we're sweating. Good luck, boys and girls. My camera never loves to focus, but we're gonna try our best. New camera on the way. RPS rookie auto dual jersey. Take my word for it. Just take my word for it, I promise. Card number 4, Kyle Pitts. That'll do.
Oh, Philly boy.
Hey, he is a Philly boy. Atlanta, there it is. You can see it. Brandon Smallwood. Falcons were cheap in this, man. They were a value team. That'll do. That'll get a bid.
Solid.
Brandon Smallwood, congrats, bro. Alright. That'll be an RPA, so it will be a dual window. So, solid one. Box 3, halfway home.
No case hit yet, huh?
No case hit yet. These are big cases, though. They're 16 box cases or something like that, so wouldn't be surprised if you don't strike it. But Got plenty more of this where that came from, guys. Hey, hey. How are you? How are you? We don't go sliding. Box number 3, guys. Got our got a thick joint on the top and a thick joint on the bottom. Let's pack dust. Good luck, gang. Black Giants. Daniel Jones. Be a 1-1. Numbered 8 of 10. Jersey number. That's sick. Giants, bro. These 2 breaks. The Giants crushing it. 8 of 10. Jersey number Daniel Jones.
Giants on fire.
Literally. My boy Matt S. take him? He did. There you go, Matt. That'll do. Alright. Something coming up. Ian Book. Jersey Relic. 199.
That's 2, right?
That's same card was in the first half. Another one of this Baron Browning guy to 250 for the Broncos. Don't know who he is.
He's not bad.
You know who he is?
Yeah.
What position is he?
Linebacker.
Is he solid?
Yeah, he's pretty good.
All right. Saints, also Matt S. There you go. Back-to-back bangers there. We got Orange. Brandon Ayuk to 99, I believe.
Fantasy Sports.
Yeah, what a shame that was. How beastie was he 2 years ago, I think. We got a Gronk insert to 250. Yo, 199. And what is this? Another Color Blast. Color Burst. Not. I'll say it wrong every time. Color Burst. Travis Etienne.
Jags wrapping it.
Jags. Just need one of them to be a Lawrence. There we go. Kenny Galladay. That's going to be low numbered to 35. Giants. Been a G-Man half case. We got a auto. Kylan Granson. Pink rookie auto to 99 for the Colts. Never heard of him.
Nope.
Indianapolis Colts. Andrea, just in time. There we go. Just in time for the Kylan Granson. Congrats. Fortunately, I can't say I've heard of him, but he's somebody. Another ETN, yo, that's kind of crazy. There we go. Got to start somewhere, right? All right, last stack. See all kinds of color coming up. We got red, Jay Jettas, 250 Vikings. Pink, Josh Allen, Heat Wave. That's number to 175. Is that first one stamped? 001. I love that. Bills, Tommy Tremble. That's a made-up name. There we go. Orange, Zach Wilson to 99. Jets, Orange Rookie Rising. Daniel Mays. Mini win. Hell yeah. Silver Darren Waller. We've got a Kyle Pitts. Pink De'Ami Brown for the Washington Commanders. 199 De'Ami Brown. And damn, dude. Trevor Lawrence on the back. Texans to 149. Damn, dude. They were cheap too. Frank. So nice how to hit him twice, bro. That'll do. 149 and 149. He's jersey number 10. You were actually all around it. That's sick. Congrats. Double dip. Always nice to double dip. These have been a solid couple boxes. Phoenix might be loaded this year. We might be back. Phoenix is here. Alright, let me just move these. You want to write me a sticky note for number 2? That'd be sick. Last box of the break, guys. I'll do a recap at the end. If anybody wants to get spicy and do a personal of this, I got some. They're $5.25 today only. Probably go up to like $5.40 or $5.50 tomorrow. No case hit of sorts. I wonder if Devonta Smith's in our like an on card or like if he's live or not, like he's on a redemption. This is Jalen Hurts base card. That'll get the job done. Alright. Last box, guys. Good luck. Teal. Jeremiah Owusu-Karamoah. 150 for the Browns. De'Ami Brown at 199. That is the relic. Okay. Commanders, Daniel Mays. Jalen Hurts. Woo. Purple Matty Stafford. 125 for the Rams. Got a Carlos Boogie Basham, red to 250 for the Bills. Buffalo Bills. Got a red Hot Routes Juju Smith to 199, and our Color Blast burst is a Darren Waller, Raiders. There's a Trey Lance rookie. Pink Anthony Schwartz, 199 Browns, and another Mac Jones rookie insert. Rookie auto, Racy McMath to 25. Got the color match at least. That's nice. Racy McMath. That's a made-up name. John Hornick, congrats. Purple, oh boy. Adetokunbo Ojinadeji. 125 Falcons.
That's pretty good.
That was probably not bad. All things considered. Adetokunbo Ogundeji, I think is probably how the absolute correct pronunciation is. Appreciate it, appreciate it. Sixers play tomorrow, right? Alright, last stack. Ooh, there we go. Brady Pink. 175, Brady Pink Heat Wave. Very nice. Orange Fields. Nice. 99. Orange Fields. Silver DK. We got a yellow to 75 of Caleb Farley. Titans. Trey Lance insert. And last hit of the break. Devonta Smith! Dual window jersey auto. There it is.
Last card.
Last card of the break. For my boy.
That's fire.
Dude.
That
makes it, bro.
That makes it. That is tough.
Dante, first time breaking with the boys?
Yeah, with the boys, yeah.
First time breaking with the boys. Had a great day at work. Figured he'd hop in the break. Congrats.
That is solid.
That is solid.
Can't go wrong with that.
That's sick. Hell yeah, dude. That makes my night. That's sick.
Last card, too.
Last card of the break. Last box mojo.
Yeah,
always pulls through.
Imagine I picked the other box.
You were probably between this one and the other one, too. I can. Shoot me a message right now. Brady Pink. Justin Fields to 99. Caleb Farley yellow. Devonta Smith dual window RPA. Very nice. Darren Waller color burst. Mac Jones. Racy McMath. Whoa. De'Ami Brown rookie jersey relic. Zach Jones to 99. Trevor Lawrence. Travis Etienne color burst. Kenny Galladay. Kylan Granson. Ian Book. Daniel Jones 8 of 10 jersey number. Devonta Smith silver, Devonta Smith purple. Mac Jones, another color blast of Travis Etienne. Patrick Surtain, fire and ice. Travis Etienne rookie jersey. Travis Etienne jersey relic. He was all up in it. Lawrence, Lamar orange, purple Herbert 35, color burst of Baker May. Levi Onwuzurike, that's a hard one. Chuba Hubbard, Brandon Stevens, Etienne orange, my God. Saquon orange, Redemption RPA was Kyle Pitts. Very nice. And we had 2 Davis Mills RPAs. Thanks for hopping in, Matt. Dude, this break was kind of loaded.
Yeah.
Not going to lie to you. First one was loaded. This one was loaded. There's your juice. Congrats. You're very welcome. Alright guys, thank you so much. Oh, what we got here? If anybody wants to